What's up, everybody? Derpmuffin here, and today I am playing Snoring Winter Edition. If you haven't heard of this game, it's very, very simple. All you do is pushing an elephant off a cliff. Yeah. Anyway, I wanted to play this game because I used to play this game all the time when I was a kid. The elephant's rumbling snores are just deafening. Let's take him. I can't hear over his stupid snoring. And the pen goes round, my favorite animal. I just feel really bad. Like, imagine if this was a real scenario, like, if the animals actually, like, if they were the humans and we were the animals or something. Like, I can just imagine, like, the elephant rolling down a hill into a giant snowball. But, like, why? Why did you do this to me? Crap, I messed up. Here we go. Okay, my favorite is the penguin. Look at the zebra's face. Ah! Oh, he doesn't make the face! He didn't make the face! Why didn't he make the face? If the thumbs up, he'll tip over like a bowling pin. There it goes. Ew, look at my teeth! Ew. I just killed that giraffe. Woohoo! Oink, oink. Why didn't I get any passable? Oh, you got no stars. That's passable. It's like, whatever. Whatever, I do what I want, man. Okay, I'm really bad at timing. This is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Please work. Please work. Please, it didn't work. It was like the worst time. Okay, let's see. If I actually wait till it goes down. Or maybe if I wait for it to be up. Okay, so no, it doesn't. I shouldn't wait when it goes up. I should wait till it goes down. I know I say this, but the poor elephant. I mean, think about it. He's getting all this hatred towards the other animals. There we go. Excellent! You did excellently! 3 stars! Okay, I have to apologize for my voices. If you like the voices, please comment down below. If you don't, please comment down below, letting me know how my voices are affecting my videos. I done messed up. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Not like that, though. Okay. Great! I wonder if the stockings do anything. Okay, ready, now! Yay! Poor elephant! Cow's like, I love chocolate milk. Like, you do realize where milk comes from, right? No, I don't. Crap. I know it's stupid to restart, but I'm like one of those people who like try and try again to make it perfect. I got that from my brother, Jacob. He would make sure he got a perfect score on a game. He's like, uh-oh. Hey, he's like, Giraffe's like, uh-oh. If I play dead, they won't notice me. Shoot. Crap. Oh, by the way, I should mention, I'm going to Pennsylvania tomorrow, so... Okay, tomorrow when I made the video, I'm probably going to post it today, I'm not entirely sure. But, I will not be, in where I am right now. I will be in Pennsylvania. And if you notice, I have managed to make videos that are closer to date than a month. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do for this. Oh, I know what okay. Let's see what I need to do. That didn't even tip him over. Well, it did, but I mean, okay. The point of him the point of it is to wake him up. Okay, so not to tip him and kill him, basically. Oh. Okay. Drop. Boom. Cannonball. I used to be so bad at these games. I wouldn't have been able to get past this stuff. The only reason I've seen these before is because I've seen friends like play them. I never seen them beat it, but I've seen them play it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, if I have it, this penguin goes really fast. So now. Okay, that works too. I was expecting the cow to tip him over, but I guess that it works the other way around. I mean, like, with the penguin startling him. Oh. Yay! Oh, this is tricky. Oh, my toe. Nope. Gosh darn it. Hey, I skipped one here. I can skip. I can skip a bit. Fine, be that way. I'm sorry, I just silent for a second. You didn't hear that. I'm being silent for no reason, don't worry. Okay, I need to concentrate on this. There we go. Oh, it's been 10 minutes. Okay, you guys see me... Sorry, there was a play. You guys see me play this. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like my voices, because it's really fun to do the voices. Sorry. Anyway, have a nice day. I hope that... Oh, see you later.